Hey friends, in today's video I am going to show you the best Wi-Fi camera. I have been using this camera since last 2 years and I have loved it. First, if you go to the Amazon and search for Wi-Fi camera here, you can see how many cameras are here. But I am going to show you the best Wi-Fi camera. The price of the camera are high, but believe me, this is the best Wi-Fi camera. The cameras that Amazon are recommending me are cheap cameras. Let's show you the sample of my Wi-Fi camera that I am using from last 2 years. Here, you can see the quality is very nice. And it can rotate up to 360 degrees. And it also records footage in the memory card, and in case your Wi-Fi is down, the camera will still record, which will be saved in the memory card. On Amazon, you have to search for tapo C500, and here, this is the camera that I am telling you to buy it. The price of this camera is 2,999 rupees. The maximum quality it can record is 1080p, and if you want to get more clearly quality, you can go for this one, which can go up to 2K, but the price will change to 4,599 rupees. Here, you can see almost 10,000 people have already bought it, and the rating is excellent, which is 4.1. So if you want to buy it, the link is in the description. And this all for this video. See you in the next video.